Dear sis, exactly 1 year ago today, you passed away, and they said the year of firsts would be the hardest. My first birthday without you, you would FaceTime me exactly at midnight every year. This year, I didn't get the call. My first Monday motivation without you, it was hard finding the motivation. My first walk in the park, we did a lot of that together. When I got back to exercising again for the first time, I remembered how you were always my why. My first time watching a hockey game without you, and the first time I caught myself having a good time. I felt a little guilty. The first time I saw your dog again, and you weren't there calling his name. He misses you. The first time I met your best friend's newborn. She named her after you. The first time I hung out with mom and dad without you. Christmas, New Year's, and every family event. I miss your laugh. You were always the life of the party. And your birthday. We celebrated just like you were there in person. The first time I went to the cemetery alone, I didn't want to leave. And the first time I saw a rainbow, I knew it was you. I'll miss everything that I'll no longer be able to share with you well beyond the year of firsts. But you'll always be close to my heart and with me for the rest of my journey until we meet again.